Hi everyone, my name is Shima. Welcome to my channel. I'm working in a salon in the UK. I'm here to teach you all professional salon techniques. Let's go!
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply nail extensions using dual forms. This is a beginner-friendly method that gives a beautiful and natural looking result. Let's get started. Some dual forms cover the full nail and some are half coverage. In this video, I show you the full coverage method, and in the next video, I teach you how to use the half coverage forms. The first step is to remove all the oil from the nail surface using a 180 grade 5. Next, use a cuticle drill bit. I'm using a flame shaped bit to gently lift the cuticles from the nail surface. If you are a beginner, make sure to do this step very gently. Then use a cuticle nipper to gently remove any dry or lifted cuticles. Be very gentle during this step to avoid cutting the skin. Next, use a round ball bead to smooth out the cuticles that were lifted and were a little bit picked up. This helps create a clean and even nail surface. If you are a complete beginner, it is better to use just a ball bead for working around the cuticles instead of the flame bead. The most important part is choosing the right dual form for the nail. It should always be one size bigger than the client's natural nail. If the dual form is the same size as the natural nail or even slightly smaller, the product won't cover the nail properly. Next, place a small amount of hard gel or builder gel into the dual form about the size of a pea. Make sure the product is applied evenly without leaving any gaps or shadows. It shouldn't be too thin, especially near the side walls. Apply a thin layer of base coat, massaging it gently into the nail. Make sure to stay about 1 millimeter away from the side walls, then cure it for 30 seconds. Gently place the dual form onto the nail and apply very light pressure. Use a brush to clean up any excess gel that comes out from the sides. Make sure the product doesn't flood into the cuticle areas. Don't forget to clean the underside of the nail as well. Use a brush and a little alcohol to smooth it out. If your gel is not very sticky and you feel like the dual form isn't fully attached or is lifted, use a handheld UV light to flash cure it right away while holding it in place. Then place it inside the main UV lamp to fully cure. Next, use a hand file to shape the nail. Since the dual form already creates about 90% of the structure, you'll mostly just need to file around the edges to refine the shapes. Now we use this drill bit to refine around the cuticle area, and it's very important to do this step properly. A clean and precise cuticle area helps prevent lifting. This method is really easy, especially for beginners. The only important part is around the cuticle. It needs to be clean and delicate, just like a natural nail. Then apply the top coat to seal the nail and add shine. If you enjoyed this video, please support me with a like and a comment. My friend, if you enjoyed this video, don't miss the next video of our half cover dual form.